Hey Charbax, so welcome back here. We're at the Computex 2025 and I'm here to introduce you to our AI camera. So the cool thing about this AI camera is that it uses multiple 48 megapixel cameras, and these are rotated on a motor. So one is static, two on a motor, and the idea is that you'll install it at the ceiling. So basically you'll install it in supermarkets, factories. We had customers come by and they said like, hey, it could also be used for security, like areas where there's security, like police stations. I think there was a guy from Dubai, he said like, hey, we could install this in our police stations, you know, to identify if there's like dangerous threats inside of the station. And the idea is that it gives you a 180 degrees angle. So like I said, it's on motors. And for now, we're using it in supermarkets where it can detect empty shelves, mislabels, product misplacements, so that the
theft,
so that the employees are directly notified, hey, in this aisle there's a problem. And it's all daisy chained together, so there's just one cable for LAN, one cable for power, and it can be connected throughout one complete aisle. So you know, it can go up to 15 meters, so you know, you can easily just slide it together. Oh, sorry, this way. So you can just slide it together and then it just links together directly without any issues. Right. So you know, you can link it together and then you can put the top on, you know, you can put the top on it. And you have lights, you link it together with the lights, so it actually blends seamlessly in with the lighting in the store. So it doesn't occupy any extra space. And this is what we're now working on in a project in Germany. And yeah, I think it's overall a really cool solution. And we're also still working with AI software partners as well to make sure that it detects what it needs to detect and it can be customized. So our main boards inside are basically can be used for any AI application. That's the highlight of this item.
Nice. All right, and it's very much fitting with some of the other products you do, right?
Yeah, exactly. So it's just, you know, you can have the lights, the cameras, then lights again, then cameras again. So basically you can just keep linking it together and all through one cable. Yeah, that's a really cool product, and we're happy to show it around, and a lot of interest already for this, because like, people are picking it up and they're like, what is this? What is the use case for this?
This is very much edge AI.
Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, and actually we're already planning and working with installing this in our factories in Sweden to check, you know, if there's problems with the products. It will help us seeing where the bottlenecks are, you know, where the problems occur with. So basically we're trying to maximize our efficiency in the factories as well, and using our own product for it is like super amazing for sure.
What would be cool is in a shop, in a store, you know that there might be a customer that needs help, so then the sales staff knows that they should go and help them.
Yeah,
something
exactly.
As basic as that.
Even that is already, you know, improving the efficiency of the store itself. So in the end, a product like this gives return to your store. You know, in the long run, you actually save or receive more money than what you spend on the product.